This thermostat will make you love your thermostat. It's in millions of homes around the world. It's helped save billions of kilowatt hours of energy so far. And that's just the beginning. Meet the third-generation Nest Learning Thermostat. It has a bigger, sharper screen, controls your hot water tank, and it's even better at learning what you like. Just turn it up or down. It will catch on after a few days and create a personalized schedule for you. That's how the Nest Thermostat saves energy. It's easy to learn how to save more every day. Just follow the leaf. It turns off the heating when you leave and the hot water when you're on holiday. And you can control it from anywhere. You can see how much energy you use every day and how to use less. Energy companies around the world are partnering with Nest, so even more homes can save even more energy. The Nest Learning Thermostat programs itself, saves energy.
What if heating was simple? What if saving energy was simple? Meet the TADO Smart Thermostat. It's compatible with your heating system and lets you control various rooms in your home individually from anywhere. But TADO is much more than a remote control. It has a variety of skills that simplify your life. It saves energy and makes your home more comfortable. Thanks to geofencing, it notifies you to turn down your heating when no one is at home. It notices open windows and lets you turn off the heat effortlessly. It integrates weather information to save you even more. It lets you control your heating with your voice. However, its most important skill is to keep it simple. The TADO Smart Thermostat. The simplest way to save energy.
With geolocation, Heatmiser Neo will always provide you with a warm welcome home. Perfect for single or multi-zone installation, Neo's contemporary styling presents a slim flush-mounted appearance with a crisp, clear display and touch-sensitive keys. When used with the Neo Hub, these remarkable thermostats can be easily controlled in or away from home. Raising the room temperature via your smartphone will allow quick and simple access right at your fingertips. But Neo does more than control heating and hot water. Expand your system with Neo Plug. Now you can connect to other appliances in your home from absolutely anywhere. Returning after dark? Remotely switch on a light using your smartphone, giving you that added extra security when no one's home. Whether it's a single control for the entire home or gradually expanding a multi-room system, our Neo Air model is completely wire-free, making it easy to install with minimal disruption. What's more, Neo Air's setup is configured in just the same way as the rest of the Neo family. With just a few clicks, Neo Air can be controlled from your phone in no time at all. All this, together with Neo's intelligent mesh network, you'll certainly have a perfectly comfortable and energy-efficient home.
The frosted display was really inspired by this desire to make a beautiful thermostat that didn't look so much like a screen and that could disappear really seamlessly.
We interact with so much technology in our lives every day, and there's so much noise and so much distraction that I think people are really looking for their home to be their sanctuary.
This time around, we wanted something softer, something brighter, something warmer. There's this layer of film that goes over an existing display. And what that film does is it diffuses the information. The film allowed the text to spread out in a nice, warm glow. We were really excited. It felt like watercolor.
I believe over time, more and more homes are going to have great technology that blends into the background, hides itself from us, so that we can take advantage of the technology but don't have it intrude in our lives.
We We spend a lot of time in our homes, and we should keep the focus on the people in our house and not the products.
We want to create a product that people would want to live with every day for a really long time.
Wonder. Noun. A feeling of surprise and admiration that you have when you see or experience something beautiful, unusual, or unexpected. Can a thermostat be a source of wonder? Well, one man thought so.
Hi, I'm Stuart.
That's Stuart Lombard, proud Canadian and founder of Ecobee, who had the idea to create a thermostat that could make a difference.
At the time, I was trying to reduce my own environmental impact.
So Stuart assembled a team and got right to work.
The products in the market were impossible to use, not internet connected, they were dumb as a doorknob.
And eventually, they created the world's first smart thermostat, one that adapts to your lifestyle and helps you live more sustainably.
Our customers have saved enough energy to take the city of Las Vegas off the grid.
Being planet positive means creating products that last. Through technology, we can reduce carbon emissions by improving the way people, homes, and cities consume energy. That's not the only thing that makes us different. We aspire to be a welcome guest in your home. We won't sell or misuse your personal information. Your data belongs to you and you alone.
We're not trying to monetize it to sell advertising.
Or you can donate it to help scientists impact climate change. Through innovation, Ecobee anticipates your needs.
We understand that we're not the most important thing in your life.
Our products fade into the background, attentive to your preferences through AI and machine learning.
It just happens for you.
Ecobee cares. We offer the right help at the right time with dedicated customer service.
How you create empathy is really about listening to your customers, understanding their challenges, and then doing your best to solve them.
Ecobee offers seamless experiences. Our products work together or alongside other smart home systems because connection is everything. Wonder. Verb. To think or speculate curiously. And to think curiously. That's something we here at Ecobee aspire to every single day. We constantly wonder how our products can make a difference, not only inside our houses, but outside of them too. Because the more we grow, the greener things get.
From the moment you wake up in the morning, Hive Active Heating puts your home in your hands. From the Hive app, set your thermostat to come on at exactly the right time, so the temperature's just how you like it at the moment you get up. On colder days, your Hive thermostat will automatically turn on your heating to stop your pipes from freezing and keep you warm when the temperature drops. When you leave in a rush, it's easy to forget to turn the heating off. If you do, the Hive app can send a notification to your phone and you can turn it off remotely. You can set up to 6 time slots that will turn on the heating or hot water exactly when you need it and off when you don't. And because you're not heating your home when you're not there, you could save up to £120 annually on your energy bills too. With Hive Radiator valves, you can take even more control of your heating and set different temperatures in different rooms. When it's time for bed, Hive works with Alexa and Google Assistant, so you can turn off your heating with your voice. Heat your home the smart way with Hive Active Heating.
In this video, we'll take you through some of Wiser's key features to help you make the most of your Wiser system. From the home screen, tap one of your rooms. From here, you can perform some of Wiser's key functions. The large number is the current room temperature. The number highlighted at the bottom is your set point. This is the temperature that you would like the room heated to. A flame will show if your heating is running. To manually edit your set point, simply slide to the left to increase and right to decrease. If in auto mode, this override will last until the next scheduled time period. If in manual mode, it will last until it's changed again. The Schedule button allows you to set time periods and temperatures for your heating, and on-off periods for your hot water if you have a 2 or 3 channel system. They can be set differently for each day of the week, or you can copy the same schedule across all days. If you have Wiser Radiator thermostats, you'll be able to schedule each room independently, or you can put the system into manual mode and turn it on and off as you please from your phone. Boost enables you to temporarily increase the room temperature by 2 degrees Celsius. Choose between 30 minutes, an hour, 2 hours, or 3 hours. Again, if running in auto mode, this override will last until the next scheduled time period. If in manual mode, it will last until it's changed again. Boost can be stopped at any time by tapping the blue off icon. You can boost the temperature in all rooms by 2 degrees Celsius for 1 hour by tapping the arrow on the home screen and selecting Boost. Tap Settings to explore further features such as Eco Mode, Comfort Mode, and Away Mode. Discover more about these features in our other video guides. Finally, don't forget that Wiser can be voice controlled too, via Amazon Alexa and the Google Assistant.